At Motorcycle.com, we got a world view on things. We like things from across the globe. So today we got something a little different. It's built in Switzerland, powered by a German motor. And here in Long Beach, California, the CG Quadster. Made by Guter and Groot Motor Rod Technique. You got more billet on this thing you'll see on 100 different custom choppers. Formula car inspired, fat tires, low center of gravity, do over 1G cornering acceleration forces, 0 to 60 in about 3.5 seconds, thanks to that BMW K1200 motor with 167 horsepower. What do you say we take it for a spin? A few months ago, we took you on a ride on the Traverson VLX. Up to that point, that was the most head-turning vehicle we've ever tested at Mo. Now we've got a new contender in that category. But wherever we go, people's heads are spinning. What the heck is that? So we think these are cool because they're powered by BMW motors. But you'll notice we got 4 wheels. It's a little bit different than what you're used to from BMW Motorrad. In fact, this isn't from BMW Motorrad. G&G first came out with the G&G Quad, which is the boxer-powered quad, and now it's the Quadster with the K-bike motor. A little bit longer wheelbase, quite a bit more power on top. So you'll do 0 to 60 in about 3.5 seconds. So we'll go out Corvette hunting a little later. So, spent an afternoon riding the CG Quadster around. Tell you, 170 horsepower on a light little thing like this. It's like a little formula car for the roads. You can get in trouble on this. Glad the cops weren't around today.
That fast?
Yep. It's a pure sports car. 4 double wishbone, billet aluminum suspension, engine's low to the ground. Like to take this thing to the track, over 1G lateral acceleration in the corners, little low profile tires, 16s, 17s. Tell you, it's fun to ride. CG Quadster, it's brand new now. Michael Jordan's got one on order. Join the club, send in your money.